Are you concerned about erectile dysfunction, or want to ensure you never have to face it? Groundbreaking research has revealed that specific fruits can make a big difference. ED is frequently one of the first signs of underlying heart disease because the very same mechanisms that lead to blocked coronary arteries can also impact blood flow to sexual organs. But by strategically adding these fruits to your diet, you can enhance circulation, balance hormones, and maintain peak sexual function. In fact, some of these fruits have been shown to increase testosterone by a whopping 24%, as well as boosting mood and physical ability. Whether you're currently grappling with ED or want to proactively care for your health, you won't want to miss this. First up, there's nothing quite like biting into a juicy slice of watermelon on a hot summer day. And guess what? It may also boost your performance in the bedroom. This benefit primarily comes from an amino acid called citrulline in watermelon. When you eat watermelon, your body converts citrulline into another amino acid called arginine. Arginine helps blood vessels relax and dilate, improving blood flow throughout the body, including to the penis. In a 2011 clinical trial, 24 men with erectile dysfunction took L-citrulline extract for a month. 50% of participants experienced better erectile dysfunction. They also reported having more sex, suggesting potential libido benefits too, and it may improve your workouts too. That's right, other studies found that L-citrulline enhanced exercise performance and recovery. And for women, improved blood flow from citrulline can likewise enhance sexual arousal and pleasure. We've got another one that's also especially important for women coming up soon. Now, L-citrulline supplements are available. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before going down this route. This is especially important if you're taking other medications, because it can have interactions. For instance, if you're taking medications for blood pressure or any nitrate drugs for heart conditions, L-citrulline could potentially cause unwanted side effects. As always, eating the real fruit might deliver a lower amount, but it's less risky, and comes with the added benefits of watermelon's other nutrients. For example, it's also a good source of lycopene, the same antioxidant that's in tomatoes, and the reason they're both bright red. Lycopene helps reduce the oxidation of lipids in your bloodstream. Oxidized lipids can lead to atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of fats and cholesterol on artery walls. By preventing this oxidation, lycopene keeps arteries clear and reduces the risk of heart attack. There's also evidence to suggest that regular intake of lycopene independently helps lower blood pressure levels, making watermelon a triple whammy for cardiovascular health. And you might like to eat watermelon with our number 3 food, as research shows that when you eat them together, you get even greater lycopene benefits. Before that, in many cultures, the banana is seen as a symbol of fertility. Though this connection might be more symbolic, there may just be some truth to it. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, two key electrolytes that people often don't get enough of. Magnesium in particular improves blood flow and muscle function, which are crucial for combating ED. Likewise, if you ever get muscle cramps, reaching for a banana might just be the quick fix you need. Potassium and magnesium are essential for proper nerve transmission. So, when they're low, muscles can contract involuntarily and cause cramps. In addition, bananas also contain vitamin B6, which is essential for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sexual desire. Low levels of serotonin are linked to depression and reduced libido, both of which can contribute to sexual dysfunction. Bananas are also a good source of antioxidants that help protect the body from inflammation. Chronic inflammation can damage blood vessels and nerves, again increasing your risk for ED. It's best to choose greenish bananas over very ripe ones. That's because they're higher in resistant starch, which aids in digestion and helps control blood sugar levels, further supporting health. Next, berries are fantastic not just for erectile dysfunction, but also for broader blood health, skin, brain health, and immunity. They're packed with vitamins and minerals that keep your body's defenses strong, so you can fight off colds, flu, and other infections more easily. One of the best things about berries is that they're naturally low in sugar compared to many other types of fruit. For example, a cup of strawberries has only about 7 grams of sugar, while a cup of grapes has around 15 grams. This makes them a fantastic choice for anyone looking to reduce their blood sugar levels or manage conditions like diabetes. They're one of the most highly studied foods, and for sexual health, a decade-long study featured in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition discovered that men who consumed berries at least 3 times a week had a remarkable 19% reduction in their risk of developing ED. The magic behind berries comes from compounds called flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation. But these flavonoids do more than just act as antioxidants. They also improve blood flow by helping blood vessels relax and protecting against atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis isn't just a big risk factor for heart attacks. It can also restrict blood flow to the pelvic area, which can contribute to erectile dysfunction. Some of the best berries for fighting ED include bilberries, blueberries, goji, acai, strawberries, raspberries, cranberries, and blackberries. Cherries aren't technically berries, but rather part of the drupes category, and another very good choice. They're rich in a unique anthocyanin, and are particularly effective in reducing joint pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Likewise, they've been shown to lower uric acid levels, potentially reducing gout. Cranberries are another that deserve a special mention for their unique power to combat urinary tract infections. Cranberries contain a type of flavonoid called proanthocyanins, which have been shown to prevent bacteria, particularly E. coli, from adhering to the lining of the urinary tract. This is crucial because adherence of bacteria to the walls of the urinary tract is the first step in the development of a UTI. In fact, research suggests that cranberry products can reduce the incidence of UTIs in people with recurrent infections by up to 40%. A healthy urinary tract maintains a better overall pelvic health, setting a solid foundation for enhanced sexual wellness. So, next time you reach for a glass of cranberry juice, you're not just doing your urinary tract a favour, but potentially your sex life too. Next, avocados are one of the most heart-friendly foods, and that extends to sexual function. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados keep your veins flexible and strong. The fats in avocados not only improve heart function, but also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K from other foods. This means when you add avocado to a salad, it's not just tastier, but also more nutritious, increasing the availability of antioxidants that protect your blood vessels. For example, studies have shown that eating avo with carrots actually increases the beta-carotene absorption from carrots, while eating avocado with tomatoes increases lycopene absorption from the tomatoes. That's very good for your blood, your arteries, and your sexual energy. Avocados are loaded with vitamin E, which protects cells from oxidative stress that can contribute to heart disease, as well as zinc, a mineral critical for healthy testosterone levels and sperm quality. Moreover, the high potassium content in avocados helps manage blood pressure and balance your electrolytes. But that's not all. Avocados are also rich in vitamin B6, essential for hormone production, including testosterone. Low levels of testosterone can be a direct contributor to erectile dysfunction. All of this, combined with the fact that avos are super low in sugar, make them the ultimate healthy fat food. At number 2, we have citrus fruits. The star nutrient in citrus fruits is vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen production. Collagen is a protein that keeps your blood vessels strong and flexible, ensuring proper blood flow throughout your body. But the benefits of collagen don't stop there. It's also vital for maintaining youthful, supple skin. As we age, our body's natural collagen production declines. Eating citrus fruits combats this by providing your body with the vitamin C it needs to keep collagen synthesis going strong. Citrus fruits can also increase iron absorption from other foods, especially beans, lentils, and leafy greens. That's why many people enjoy an orange as dessert after their meals. Iron is essential for maintaining healthy blood and preventing anemia, which contributes to fatigue and reduced libido. Another great habit is to drink a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. It's a simple way to hydrate your body and get a healthy dose of vitamin C right off the bat. Just remember to drink it through a straw and brush your teeth beforehand instead or after, as the acidity can soften and erode tooth enamel. And of course, let's not forget about the immune-boosting properties of vitamin C. Regularly consuming citrus fruits can help keep your body's natural defenses strong, reducing your risk of falling ill. A word of caution though, while citrus fruits are incredibly healthy, that doesn't mean juice is healthy. Orange juice, for example, is extremely high in sugar and can spike your blood glucose levels, causing glycation damage. Essentially, juice is just like soda. Stick to eating the whole fruit instead. The fiber in fruit slows down the absorption of sugar and provides additional nutrients like folate, potassium, and calcium. It's important to note that grapefruit can interact with certain medications. This is due to a group of compounds in grapefruit called furanocoumarins, which can interfere with the enzymes that break down drugs in your digestive system. When these enzymes are inhibited, more of the drug can be absorbed into your bloodstream. This can lead to potentially dangerous levels of the drug in your body, even if you're taking the prescribed dose. Some of the common medications that grapefruit can interact with include statins and cholesterol-lowering drugs, blood pressure medications, immunosuppressants, psychiatric drugs like benzodiazepines and antidepressants, pain medications, prostate medications, anti-arrhythmia drugs, anti-seizure drugs, some birth control medications, and some erectile dysfunction drugs. Essentially, many drugs interact with grapefruit, so if you're on any medication, don't eat grapefruit until you've cleared it with your doctor. And at number 1, we have pomegranate, the gem of ancient Persia and the Mediterranean. One study showed that daily pomegranate juice increased testosterone levels by a whopping 24%, with other studies showing higher sperm count, better emotional regulation, and improved blood pressure. These benefits primarily come from powerful antioxidants called punicalagins. Pomegranates are also rich in nitrates, which relax and dilate blood vessels. Pomegranates are shaped like a heart, and they're extremely beneficial for heart health. But the downside, as always, is that they can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and blood pressure drugs. So it's essential to consult a healthcare provider before adding it to your diet in significant amounts. Of course, if you don't take medication, go for it. It may just protect you from needing medication in the future. Next, you might like to watch our video on the worst foods that cause erectile dysfunction, or the top foods to clean arteries and prevent heart attacks, which are also going to help with erectile dysfunction. We'll leave a link to those in the description, or click the link on screen.